Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to fix login error problem on your Snapchat account. So if you're new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment, share, also press the bell icon for my new video notification. So we continue our video without wasting our time. So first of all you open your Snapchat account. When you open your Snapchat account, here you will see the option switch account. So simply you click on this switch account option. When you click in this switch account option, he will ask username and password. Username already exists. You simply type here username according to your Snapchat account, and after that when you type here password, you simply click the login option. Because I forget my password, so back, and here you will see the forget option. Forget your password option, you simply click in this forget your password option. When you click forget option, he will ask please choose how you want to reset your password, via phone, via email. So simply you click via email because I don't have my phone number. Second option, via email, you simply click in this. What you have to do, when you click via email, he will ask email in which you receive the email link, verification link. So type here your email in which you receive your email. When you type email address, you will see the submit option. You simply click in this. When you click the submit option, his Snapchat team will send a verification email. Simply open it. So we go in my email and check. Open your email and see Snapchat team sent. To reset your password for Snapchat, please click the following link. So simply you click in this following link. Open it. When you open it, this link, he will ask new password and confirm password. So simply you type here new password that you will change in your Snapchat account. So and confirm password. When you put your new password and confirm password, here you will see the option of submit. You simply click in this. When you click the save option, so your password will be changed successfully. And what you have to do, you open your mobile screen and check your Snapchat, that's are open or not. You open your Snapchat and login option. So simply you type in this login option and type your password that recently you will change, and check that my Snapchat account will be open or not. When you type here your password that you will be changed, simply option the login. Here you will see my Snapchat account was successfully open. So my video is informative for you. You subscribe my YouTube channel, also press the like, comment and share. So